What up, guys? This is Pastor Canabe again. We're coming up with another video on C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about if statements. Why do we use if statements? But before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We're growing slowly but steady in the channel. Okay, so if statements helps you make decisions based on certain conditions. It helps you control the flow of your program by executing different blocks of code, depending on whether a given condition is true or false. Let me just copy all of this in here so we can have okay, and this is too long. Let's do this, let's do that, let's do that. Yeah, that should be good. All right, so if a stem is a programming construct that allows you to make decisions based on certain conditions, it helps you control the flow of your program by executing different blocks of code depending on whether a given condition is true or false. So and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about. So let's just do some examples right here. So let's start. So we're going to do a console that right. Yeah, man, I gotta right lane right here. I gotta use the shortcuts right here, and right here we're going to do user input. Enter the age of the new candidate, or the new candidate candidate the new candidate for the job. Okay, so right here we're going to do that, and now we're going to do a variable right here, an integer, which is going to be int age, and we're going to parse that in parse. We're going to use that. We're going to parse that answer. um, okay, cool beans. Now we have that. Now next we're going to use our if statement. Okay, let's see what we want to accomplish with our if statement right here. So actually, if we have one block of code, we don't need the curly braces or brackets. Is that how you say? Okay. We want to say age. If age is less than 18, we can say console. Yeah, let's just do that. Semicolon. So if age less than 18, console that right lane, we're going to say too young to apply. Too young to apply for the job, right? Too young to apply for the job. Okay, too young to apply for the job. Yeah, if you are less than 18, you're too young to apply for the job. Else, we're going to say else. Man, I got butterfingers. Oh yeah, we don't need this for now. We're only going to do one statement. So okay, cool beans. And right here we're going to say great. You you can now start the application. But let's use another if else if right here. Let's put another condition right here. And right here we're going to say if age greater than 25, we're going to do exactly this line of code right here, and we're going to say sorry, the selected age is too old for the job. So let's run it and see what we got. Okay, So let's wait for a second. It's taking a second. Cool beans. So we have it right here. Now, okay, enter the age of the new candidate for the job. So let's pretend. So this is what we have. Let's talk about this. So if age is less than 18, it's going to execute this too young to apply. So if I do a 5, if I do a 10 years old, or 11, or 12, whatever, or 17, 15, it should give me too young to apply. If I do greater than 25, it's going to tell me sorry. So if I do 26, 27, 28, it's going to say sorry, the selected age is too old for the job, so you gotta be in between 18 to 25. If you do in between those ages, it will say great, you can now start the application. So let's test that. So let's just do 10, too young to apply for the job, yeah, which is correct. That's what we tell him to do. So now if we do, let's just do 26, sorry, the selected age is too old for the job. Now let's do something between 18 and 25. So let's do 19, and that should give me great, you can now start the application. Wow, that worked. So now, so as you can tell right here, um, there is no curly braces right here, right? But if we want to add another statement right here, or line of code, so we can add that in here. So, and there we can add as many as we want. Let's get this up, and then let's do Control D. So now we can say send email to candidate, send email to candidate. So let's copy this part. You know what, let's just do the same. Actually, let's copy all of it. Yeah, no, let's do this. Let's copy this part. Let's cut it, put it right there, and let's copy this part right here, and let's copy it right here. So actually, if we, just to keep a good behavior when you're as I say, behavior when you're doing your programming, so make sure just to use brackets, so that way you don't have to forget about it or get any errors. So good rule of thumb, always use brackets, braces. Okay, now you can add as many statements you want under every if statement right here. I mean every if condition right here, as many as you want. Okay, now we just run that. We can just run it again, enter the age. Let's just do 9, too young to apply for the job, send email to candidate. Now you see it's printing those two statements right there. Now we just do, let's just do 34. That's going to be too old, so let's just do 34. I want to see that. Yeah, we got those two statements right there, which is working fine. Now we want to do just the age, 23. Great, you can now start the application. But anyway, so that's pretty much it. And I mean, you can expand a lot more in if statements. Okay, but this is just the basic. So hopefully this helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.